Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. Hey everyone, my name is Mashkur Ali and today we're diving into a super important topic. How to track your Cash App card if it's lost. I know losing your Cash App card can be a real headache. You've probably seen a ton of videos on YouTube about this, but most of them just tell you how to report your card as lost. No one is talking about how to actually track it, but guess what? Today, we're going to show you a real trick that works about 90% of the time. Okay, so let's start with this. Unfortunately, there's no direct method to track your Cash App card like a phone or a GPS device. Debit cards, including your Cash App card, don't come with GPS chips or tracking features. But don't worry, there's still a smart trick that can help you figure out where your card is being used, and it works surprisingly well. It depends on two different conditions. Let's break it down. Condition 1. If you've already blocked your Cash App card, here's the good news. If someone tries to use your blocked card, their transaction will get declined, right? Here's how you can use that to your advantage. Anytime someone attempts to use your blocked Cash App card, you will get a notification on your email or phone about the declined transaction. These notifications will show you where the card was used. By looking at these details, you can figure out where the card was tried, giving you a strong clue about its whereabouts. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk about condition 2. If your card is still active and not yet blocked, this situation is a little trickier, but still manageable. If someone is using your active Cash App card, you'll get notifications for unauthorized transactions. Here's what you should do. Keep an eye on your email, phone notifications, or even your bank statement for these transactions. Each notification will include the time and location of where the transaction took place. This way, you can track down exactly where your card is being used. And if you act fast, you might even be able to check security cameras at that location. While this trick works great, don't forget the most important step: report your lost card to Cash App support and block it as soon as possible to protect yourself from fraud. You will find more information about the method of instant blocking of Cash App card and tracking it in the article given in the description below. In that article, we have explained both methods in detail through screenshots and videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And if you want more Cash App related videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.